Friends, let me share the logic behind one of the trade I have taken today. It's a swing trade, KNR Constructions. Let me see what is the reason for the entry. And if I go to the higher time frame in monthly candles, you can see the market overall in a uptrend. So this rally has started almost like June 2020, and this has up to August 21st. It was in a real uptrend, and after that, after 21st August, now it is around. It's coming closer to 2 year now. So it has started falling from this month, from September, and you can see since a very long, the price is almost at this range. It's consolidating from since 14 months, more than 1 year. So the price has to regain its strength, especially the overall sentiment is positive. So that is why I was looking for a buy entry here. So let's see in the lower time frame. If I go to the 1 day candle, yeah, see how the price was behaving. Actually, the price was creating since, as we said, since 14 months or more than around 2 year. It was like creating higher lows, higher highs, lower highs and lower lows. I think I said the opposite. Lower lows, lower highs, lower highs. This is how the last a few things. And when you observe at this particular area, price almost like created a same low. It is not a specific lower low. So it was a proper indication, especially there was a very clear support zone was there. There was a demand zone. From there, in a day candle, it has created a bullish harami pattern. It simply means that the price has moved up to the extent of this demand zone, and from the next day itself, market opened as a gap up, and almost the entire fall of yesterday has covered by this candle. And by justifying this movement, market has moved, and this rally has crossed another important area. You can see in a weekly time frame here. See, price moved from here and crossed above this important area, and price was consolidating this area since a few weeks. So, and if we come more closer, this after this rally, price was staying above this demand zone, and here the recent action, if we notice the recent action, it has created a manipulation like movement. It's a false breakout. It will look like a false breakout. We need to wait for the confirmation whether it was a false or real. So anyway, price has moved from here to the demand zone, above the demand zone, and again it was trying to come to below the demand zone. See, but there is a strong bias. That is why price has crossed above. The interestingly, this candle, it has sufficient volume is there, and also one of the interesting fact is that which attracted me. See, around 14 bar here, it is a day candle. So after 14 days, the overall movement of consolidation of 14 days price has covered by just this candle. And this was the buying indication for me. So today, fortunately, also I get a red candle. That means I got a price a little below. Even though today it was a red candle, I have entered today. So the logic was clear. as I said, as I explained, it was simply reading the price in this manner. And not just the price, we record some more confluences. So for that, the current market scenario is positive. Yesterday there was a wholesale price induction, and manufacturing wholesale price induction. All those inflation data drastically reduced this when compared to the previous year. You can see all these data are highly impressive because the market was falling due to the inflation and all those concerns, and the banks were continuously they were hiking the interest rates. So being the scenario like this on the backside of I mean this macroeconomical factors are there. So this was the another confluence of the trade. And if we go to the fundamentals of the company, so you see KNR Constructions, and if we the only the basic things I will show you. See the net profit for comparing quarter to quarter. So it's quite impressive. The last quarter has gained a better net profit compared to the previous quarter. And if yeah, sorry, it was for year to year, the profit and loss account of year to year. So if we consider the last 4 years, it was increasing impressively. And if we consider the quarter also, quite impressive. No, it's improving every quarter. And if I check the promoter holdings, how much amount of the stock of the company holders holding, that is 51%. That is all very much required. So considering all those parameters, I was deciding to go for a long. And it doesn't mean that we have confluences and the trade would definitely hit the target. No, not every trade is a probability. So if my analysis went wrong, I will book the loss here at bottom side of this major turning point candle. It's a very clear bullish Marubos, and if the trade go with me, I will book the profit here. So it is a very attractive trade. So we can simply target 1:3 risk reward. So 1:3 risk reward means you are expecting 1,000 rupees loss and you are expecting a 3,000 rupees profit. So when you are risking 1,000 rupees, you are getting 3,000 rupees as a profit. So this must be taken care when you enter a trade. So considering all those favorable situation, I bought today the trade. So let's see how it is going to happen. Yeah, that's all about the analysis. So let's see with another analysis in future. Bye now.